Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, this was a good week I would say from the market perspective. Both the indices they are showing some kind of a correction, and as you can see in front of you, the weekly candle is looking bearish after many weeks here. Now what is happening typically in this particular trend is that if you see the trend, the uptrend from March onwards, so in this particular uptrend there are several bearish candles, but the only thing that is missing after this bearish candle is a follow-up. So even at this point in time when we are seeing a bearish candle, there was a categorical message. Let me just take you on to the message. Let's take a look at the message. So Friday's message, yesterday I was away from the screen for the whole day. I was traveling, and the message that I had posted, this message I had posted on the previous day in the evening on Thursday, and in this particular message I was talking about a particular level 19,620 hourly close below this particular level, and 45,620 for Bank Nifty hourly close below this level will confirm trend change. Now we got a close below this during the day, but eventually before the market closes, the market actually closed above these levels. So this is very important input. You have to understand this. Categorically these levels are important. Why these levels are important? Because this is where the Dow theory changes. We'll take a look at these levels on chart as well. But more importantly, see another thing, the kind of bullish strength indices are exhibiting since March low of 16,828 is phenomenal, and with an hourly lower high in both indices during monthly expiry, that was on Thursday, we are seeing some kind of a trend reversal. But at the same time we need confirmation. Most importantly, India VIX is still around 10.5, which is not a very convincing scenario for correction. So for a sell-off, for some kind of a profit booking, there has to be a panic in market. And with India VIX at around 10.5, yesterday's close of India VIX is around 10.13, which is still lower than that, does not give you confidence in selling. So there is no fear in market right now unless and until we get a follow-up to this weekly candle. So this is what we are expecting. Now let's go to Nifty chart. And on a Nifty chart, during our Wednesday's episode, I had categorically mentioned that we are expecting this bounce. So on Wednesday we got this bounce, it just consolidated here, and after this bounce, Thursday was a great sell. So Thursday was a sell, even yesterday's day was a sell, and we formed a low, formed a bottom, but eventually we closed above this low, 19,615, this low, above this low we have closed. So now again, if we do not close below 19,615 or we stayed above 19,615, it's a buy as per Dow theory. So here I am not in a in any way I'm not making any prophecy or any kind of a prediction, but whatever action that we are seeing right now is hinting towards a bullish kind of a bias is what the expectation is. So let us see on Monday how the bullish action is going to pan out, and if at all there is going to be a bullish action, we expect a target of, again, let's say I'll just remove this, and a target that we can expect is 50% minimum of this fall. So whatever fall that has taken place, we should see a target of at least 19,700 or maybe higher than that, but eventually let's take one day at a time. So the first target that we can calculate will be 19,715. Okay, so this is what the expected target will be for Nifty. Now again, if we get a close below 19,621, then that will be a continuation of this Dow theory, and then eventually we should get a target of 19,500 or maybe a target towards semi-annual pivot. That is another possibility, but for that we need a close below this level, right? So just let me just mark a thick line over here. I'll make this line thicker so that this is going to be a Lakshman Rekha for us. Okay, so I'll just name this line as hourly Dow theory changes. Below this. Okay. So this is what this line is. So understand, if we are closing below this, then the SAP would be target 19,525 will be first target, and second target will be 19,410. But if we do not close below this level, if we state some kind of a bullishness, which is we are already showing the VIX is hinting towards a bullishness, then we will hit this 19,700 level, and eventually we will keep on moving in an upwardly manner. This is what the expectation is. In case of Bank Nifty, if we take a look, so here in case of Bank Nifty, that hourly reversal level was somewhere here, 45,622. So we are closing below this particular level, and this is in a way a good sign. But now, because we are above SAP and still we have not reached to the SAP reaction zone, I would say 0.5% up and 0.5% below SAP level. So this is going to be a critical low. Now this low will be critical, and if we take out this low, then the next target of 45,100 or 45,161, these targets can get completed. We need a secular close, a firm close below this SAP, so as to see some profit booking or a continuation of a profit booking trend. Again, let me just remind you, on a weekly time frame, we need a follow up to this bearish candle to consider, to confirm that there is going to be some profit booking in market. Otherwise, the bullish trend will continue as it has done in past many occasions in last 3 to 4 months. Please understand these scenarios, and I believe whatever we have discussed today is helpful to you. If it is helpful to you, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye-bye.